Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Mobile Legends and signing in. This gives the client permission to change UI assets. Once done, tap your avatar and go to Settings, then Interface or Graphics where map-related options live. You need enough storage because map skins or custom maps download as resource packs, so make sure download's complete. Now that the client is ready and resources are available, proceed to the Shop or Theme menu to load. You next go into the shop under Custom or Skin sections and search for map skins or terrain packs. Once you find a map, buy or download it. Purchases are handled through your linked store, so confirm payment quickly to avoid timeouts. After acquiring the asset, tap Equip or Apply. This tells the client to replace the default map texture. Make sure the download finishes in notifications. If interrupted, the game may revert to the default. Once applied, the map is staged for matches. You should verify changes by launching a custom or practice match so you can inspect the map without risking rank. If visuals are missing or the map fails to load, first clear cache in settings and re-download the map asset. This resolves most mismatched textures because it forces a fresh resource pull. If problems persist, restart the app or reinstall the game as a last resort, but make sure your account is backed up so you don't lose progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.